In today's video, we're counting down 5 fun ways that you can make money selling sports gear with the xTool Apparel Printer. I'll share project ideas, pricing tips, and where I buy blanks for cheap. Sports are one of the best niches to work in because the orders add up fast. Instead of selling one shirt at a time, you can get a bulk order for an entire team. Parents also buy gifts for kids and coaches, especially at the end of the season. That's exactly why I made these personalized drawstring backpacks for my son's soccer team and his coach. And I'll show you how to make them in this video. Hey everyone, I'm Kerri, author of Cricut for Dummies and the blogger behind kerricraftsed.com. On my channel, I share real ways that you can make money from home using laser engravers, DTF printing, sublimation, and Cricut machines. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new tutorials. Out of all the machines that I've tested, the xTool Apparel Printer is my favorite for custom clothing. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and prints on any fabric, even black and cotton. It automatically powders, shakes, and cures your transfers so the film comes out ready to press. No weeding, no powdering by hand, no curing oven. So let's start with the first idea. Drawstring backpacks are easy to make and perfect for sports. Kids use them for cleats, shin guards, water bottles, and snacks. I made custom backpacks for my son's whole soccer team. I downloaded a soccer ball graphic from Creative Fabrica and customized it with each child's name and jersey number. They love them, and it's a great way to get your business in front of local families. I added a small QR code inside each bag that links to my link tree so parents know where to order shirts, teacher gifts, tumblers, and more. You can do the same thing with other DTF projects for local businesses too, like branded aprons for restaurants or fun shirts for a gym. Speaking of aprons, check out this one I picked up at Michael's and customized for Thanksgiving. It turned out so cute and was perfect for fall. That's just one of the many projects I shared in my last video, 20 plus fall DTF shirt ideas to print in minutes with the xTool Apparel Printer. Be sure to check that one out next for tons of fun seasonal ideas that you can make and sell. Now let me show you exactly how I made these personalized backpacks. For the blanks, I used a drawstring bag by Make Market from Michael's. They're only $3.99 each, and Michael's almost always has a coupon in their app or on their website, so make sure to check before you buy for extra savings. They come in black and white, and both colors work beautifully with DTF printing. Here's how to set up your backpack design in xTool Studio. Open the xTool Studio software and upload your graphic. I downloaded a soccer ball design from Creative Fabrica, then added each child's name and jersey number. If you want something similar, a great search trick is to look for sports monograms. Try searching soccer monogram, football monogram, baseball monogram, lacrosse monogram, anything like that. You'll find tons of designs that already have a space for adding a name or number, which makes customizing super quick and easy. Another tip is to search varsity font or sports font to get that bold athletic style text that looks like real jerseys. Creative Fabrica has a huge selection of sports designs and fonts, so it's easy to find something that fits your team. I'll put my Creative Fabrica link in the description if you want to check it out. Next, grab your ruler and measure your blank, then resize your design to fit the bag. Once you finish the first bag, just duplicate the design and swap out the names and numbers for the rest of the team. My designs were 8 inches. Step 2, print your DTF Transfer with the xTool Apparel Printer. Once your design looks good, click Print. The xTool Apparel Printer will print your design, apply and shake the powder, and then heat cure it automatically. It's so much faster and easier than traditional DTF printers where you have to do each step separately and by hand. Instead of waiting for the print to finish and then powdering and then curing, this machine does everything in one continuous motion. As the image is printing, the front portion is already being powdered, shaken, and sent through the heated tunnel. I need to pause for a moment because my machine is automatically cleaning its print heads, which is a little bit loud, but another feature that I absolutely love about the xTool. My other sublimation printer doesn't have an automatic print head cleaning, so the print heads dry up and I've had to go through 3 sublimation printers because it doesn't have this feature that the xTool has. By the time the print reaches the end of the tray, it's fully cured and ready to press. When the film comes out, you'll see that nice orange peel texture on the back. Step 3, heat press your DTF Transfer onto the backpack. Set your heat press to 330 degrees for 15 seconds. I'm using the HTV Auto Heat Press 2 for this project. Add a heat pillow inside the backpack before pressing. It raises the printable area so that the seams and drawstrings don't interfere with the design. Next, pre-press your blank for a few seconds to remove wrinkles and moisture, and use a lint roller to get rid of any fuzz or hair. Place the DTF film on the drawstring bag and use a little heat tape to keep it from shifting around if you want. Then cover everything with butcher paper to protect your press and keep your design from sticking to the heat press. Heat press for 15 seconds and let it cool completely before peeling the film. Once it's cool, peel the film off and press again for another 5 to 10 seconds with butcher paper on top. This second press gives you a smooth, long-lasting finish that looks completely professional. The colors come out bright and bold, and the DTF sticks perfectly to the fabric. Step 4, sell backpacks for profit or in bulk for teams. Sports orders usually come in bulk, so once you build your template, the rest are quick. You can even queue up multiple prints on the xTool so they run back to back. And if you want to sell these online, the profit margins are pretty high and they're easy to ship. Most sellers price personalized sports bags anywhere between $10 and $20 each, and you can buy the blanks in bulk for under $1 a piece. For example, you can grab a 20-pack of drawstring bags on Amazon for around $15.99, which makes them less than $1 each. Now that you've seen how easy it is to customize these backpacks, let's check out some other sports products that you can make with DTF. The process is the same for shirts, tote bags, hoodies, just print and heat press. And that brings us to idea number 2. Leather patch hats. Hats are a favorite for parents and coaches. Instead of engraving on leather, you can DTF print on a faux leather patch and press it onto a blank hat. Add a name, a number, a logo, or sayings like coach, soccer mom, or baseball dad. These are perfect for end of the season gifts and tournaments. In one order, it can turn into sales for multiple teams because people always ask where their hats came from. The third way that you can make money selling sports gear is with custom tote bags for sports families. Sports families carry everything: snacks, drinks, first aid kits, sunscreen, blankets, bug spray, all their gear. A personalized tote keeps it all together. I think any of these soccer mom designs would look so cute on a tote bag. And here's a quick search tip. Try typing sport followed by mom or dad when you're shopping for graphics. For example, lacrosse mom, football mom, cheer dad, baseball dad. You'll find tons of fun designs that are perfect for shirts, hats, and totes. Totes are inexpensive and sell well as add-ons when someone is already ordering shirts or backpacks. Once a parent trusts you with one product, they usually come back for more. I really like these Make Market tote bags from Michaels. They're only $2.49 and they're really big and sturdy. I use them to make trick-or-treat bags for my kids this Halloween. The fourth way, with team jerseys and practice shirts. This is where team orders can get really big. DTF printing is perfect for uniforms because you can add names, numbers, logos, and even sponsor graphics. And you can press on any color shirt, not just white or polyester. The prints are stretchy and durable, and they hold up great in the wash, which coaches and parents love. And it's not just for uniforms. Events and fundraiser shirts are another great opportunity to make money with your DTF printing business. I recently made shirts for a Parkinson's bike ride fundraiser, and I added a QR code onto the sleeve so that people could scan to donate. It worked perfectly and gave the shirts a professional touch, and the people who bought them earned a lot of money towards their fundraiser. For this project, I ordered the shirts from Jiffy.com, which is my favorite place to buy blank t-shirts. They were soft, stretchy, and exactly what they were looking for. I would definitely recommend these shirts for jerseys or practice shirts. I'll put links in the description if you want to check them out. And the best part is that sports run all year. In the fall, you've got football and soccer. In the winter, there's basketball, wrestling, cheer. Spring brings baseball, softball, and lacrosse. And in the summer, travel teams are always looking for fresh gear. That means new orders and repeat customers every single season. And that brings us to the fifth and final way, loud and proud family shirts. This one is my favorite because families love showing off their team spirit and supporting their kid. So there's so many designs online. And you can customize them for any sport. Parents wear them to games, siblings wear them to practice, the kids wear them to school, grandparents love them for photos, and this is where word of mouth takes over. One family shows up in cute matching shirts, and suddenly everybody wants one too. I always try to remember that I'm a walking billboard for my business, so it's my job to show off what I make by wearing it places that I go. So those are fun 5 ways to make money selling sports gear with the xTool Apparel Printer. Drawstring backpacks, leather patch hats, tote bags, team jerseys, and loud and proud family shirts. Sports are such a great niche because the orders usually come in bulk, parents love personalized gear, and every new season brings new sales. Once you make something for one team, word spreads fast. If you want to try these projects yourself, I'll link my favorite blanks, tools, and my Creative Fabrica link in the description. And if you've been thinking about getting the xTool Apparel Printer, I'll also put the link for that below so you can check it out and see the current pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.